Good evening, people. Now is 6:05 p.m. on a Monday evening, Monday the 15th of December 2025. And I'm bringing you the new sky view. Say about that, I don't know why to do that. And very nice view. Right there. There's some trees over there. I try not to move it so not to do whatever it's doing. I don't know how to find the light to stop that. The same thing, so it's not that. It has a nice red color. And I think as opposed to this also I'm come and do this. I don't know when I can do my live stream again because I explained this. Sometimes I have headache so I can't do my live stream, so I'm not feeling good, sometimes I'm not feeling good so I can't do it. But I have music playing right now, I have music, but I don't think it get loud on also my head up here.